In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to fix Snapchat no connection error. Now this could be caused due to several reasons. The one reason could be on your end, and the second reason could be due to the system of Snapchat is down. Now if it is happening to everyone else, it is because that Snapchat is down right now. So to check if it is down or not, you can open up a web browser and search for downdetector.com. This is a website which lets you check any kinds of problems that any application is facing. You can tap on the search bar on the top and search for Snapchat. Now once you do that, if you scroll down, it's going to show you the number of reports that happened on the last 24 hours. Now if there are a lot of reports happening, that means that Snapchat is facing an issue right now. Now if that is the case, you cannot do anything about it. You'll need to just wait out a couple of hours before it gets fixed. Now if it is on your end, you can try to first update your app of Snapchat, open up the App Store or the Play Store, and then search for Snapchat. Now if there is an update, you can tap on update and update the app. Sometimes these kind of problems occurs because there are some kind of bug in the system of your phone. Now once that has been covered, the second thing that you can do if it still does not fix your issue is that you need to uninstall your app of Snapchat from your device. And once it has been completely uninstalled, you can again download it and try login into your account. And along with that, you can also try to reboot your phones. You can tap on reboot. Rebooting also helps in fixing issues if it's in your end. So after you do these couple of steps, you should be pretty much able to work Snapchat without having any issues. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more interesting videos. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.